Well, today is May 1st, and I just received my first ever ukulele that I ordered from Amazon. Aklot, I believe it is, and it's going to be concert size, I believe. It only costs about, with tax and everything, about a little bit over $60. So pretty reasonable. Hopefully it works out. I'm gonna open the box, take it out. Let's see what we got here. Okay. There's a box inside the box. So probably this big box. Open up the other one. Here's the small box. Here's the picture on it. Neatly packaged. All right. Comes with a case, bunch of accessories here, extra strings and everything. In there, I believe, strap, a bunch of stuff, which is nice. Because if you buy those separately, it will probably cost you a little more money. So let's hope everything is okay here. Open up the ukulele. More packaging. And nicely packaged. Hopefully everything is okay. And here it is. So hopefully I'll get it tuned and play something for you. The reason that I bought this is that people on YouTube asked me to teach them this, and I said, well, I never played it, but it should be pretty similar to the guitar, so I shouldn't have much trouble learning it after I tune it and kind of get a handle on it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll play something on it a little bit later.